Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm with my friend and he's got a motorbike. The other one ran out of petrol. It's down at the cattle yards. And his motorbike is a Honda CRF 110. It's really nice. And it's got a kick start right there. And then to kick up the gears. And I'm on it, but shh, don't tell him. I'm on it. Yeah, but he took the key out of it. He doesn't trust me, but it's real comfy. I got a boom boom, boom boom. Yeah, but the quad bike that he has is down at the cattle yards. And it ran out of petrol. It's bone dry. So, yeah. Yeah. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.